So this is a loading technique to the back part of the arm, roughly where the shoulder bends to roughly where the elbow bends. What you're going to need is a ball and a platform to place it on. You can do it seated or kneeling. I'm going to show you the kneeling version. You're going to place the ball down. There's two variations that you can do. The first variation is more of the seek and destroy. So I'm going to place the target tissue on the ball. I'm going to roll towards my shoulder or down towards my elbow. Once I find a spot, then I'm going to swivel my bent elbow that's at 90 degrees. I'm going to swivel it down or turn it the opposite direction. Wherever I feel more load, I'm going to hold it there. Once I find a spot that's sensitive, I'm going to hold it, take a breath in, and when I exhale, I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure down. I'm going to use this opposite arm to apply more pressure or lean into it a little bit more. Hold it there until it desensitizes or melts. Once that happens, then you can progress to another spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go towards my shoulder or go down towards my elbow. I feel more towards my shoulder. I'm going to hold it there with my elbow bent at 90. I'm going to swivel in or out. I feel more turning out, so I'm going to hold that position. Now I'm going to try to destroy that area. I'm going to take a breath in, exhale, add more load by putting more weight into it, or pushing with my arm and holding it there until it desensitizes and melts. The second technique you can use is more of the pin and stretch. I'm going to start with my elbow straight this time. I'm going to go towards my shoulder, go down towards my elbow. Wherever is more sensitive, I'm going to hold it there. I'm going to spin my palm downward, spin my palm upward. I feel it more sensitive when I spin my palm upward, so I'm going to hold that position. Pin it down. To stretch it out, I'm going to bend the elbow and then apply a little bit more pressure with my opposite hand and hold that position until it desensitizes. Once it desensitizes, then I can do the exact same thing. I'm going to go towards my shoulder, towards my elbow. I feel it more towards my shoulder. I'm going to hold that there. I'm going to swivel my arm in or out. I feel it more when I turn out. I'm going to hold that position, bend my elbow. I feel it right there. I'm going to add a little bit more pressure and hold that there until it desensitizes and melts. Another variation that you can do is you can keep the arm straight, find that same spot again, and this time what you're going to do is you're going to shift your butt back a little bit. Find the spot that's sensitive. I'm going to spin in or out. I feel more when I spin out, so I'm holding it there. I'm going to hold it, you can't see, but with this opposite arm, it's going to hold it down, and then I'm just going to shift my butt back, and when I shift my butt back, that actually stretches out that back tissue.